Hello, I'm Somil Shah of 2018 batch. Actually, I started my journey in the year of 2014 when I saw that it is a very beautiful place, just like in heaven. When I visited first time in Lonavala, it was like ooh la la. Everything was cold and shivery and what to say rainy areas. When I asked people how people used to survive, so they say that most of the time there is raining and cold is obviously maintained over here. But when I started my journey, I just visited my hostel rooms. I saw that the fog is passing from that room to this room, and entire hostel is blurred. Visibility is very low, and it was like at I'm in heaven at Kashmir. What I'm not having that words. When I started in 2014, my first year was like whether to do engineering or not, whether to do or not do. But once I joined my second year at computer science department, you won't be believing that place was too good. The amphitheater, the person who was sitting with us, the person was like can say my colleagues, my roommates, each and every person were there, and especially the faculty is not that yeah, nobody can say that these are teachers, these are lecturers. They are just like friends. Whatever you say they accept, and whatever they say we accept. Like first of all I would like to say that my HOD SD Babar sir, he never leave my hand. He used to pick a finger and say, Somil, move on this path. I always refuse because I am afraid to move. But later time passes, and after few months, or can say few time whatsoever, it was amazing, going smoothly. Every time we used to give examination online, offline, and all that criteria of Savitribai Phule Pune University. But even though this time was amazing, I'm missing those days, especially when Nalawade sir was there. Right now he left, but SN Nalawade sir was there. He always used to support me at any condition. Somil, you do, I am with you. Somil, you do, I am with you. So, with his inspiration, I became I can say that I joined the team named as SS, Association of Computer Science Institute Students. But I want to say that the team was very weak when I joined. But once the election, or can say people used to provide their resumes to the teachers, and at that time Viker sir was there. Viker sir used to take interviews, and he used to decide who can be a good person, a good leader for upcoming team. Every year we used to have different team members, or can say committee members, and I never say that as a team. I always say that this is our committee, this is our family, SS family. And when I joined, um, can say in third year, I became general secretary. Enjoyed a lot, had so many fights, so many enjoyment, and it was in the history of computer science department, the event what we organized, it was damn amazing. First time in the history of SIT, the event which SS committee organized was damn huge. Nobody, none other department has organized that. But this was all due to support of my faculty members of my department, and along with teachers like Raut sir, can say of Viker sir, Nalawade sir, SD Babar sir, Parvat sir. There are so many Nimbekar sirs. So there are so many people who used to support me. They never misguided me. They always say that you just move, we are with you. You just move, we are with you. So that gave me so many motivation and inspiration I took from them. And after that, again in the year of can say 2018 in fourth year, last year of my engineering. It was so sad year. Like I have to leave each and every person. I have to go far away from them, and I know that I won't be meeting them again until and unless I am getting married, at least. So I I enjoyed a lot. A place, a playground. What to say? Auditoriums. You can say. Nearby greeneries and atmosphere of that college, SIT Lonavala is mind blowing, boss. I lived my that beautiful moment in that 4 years. I can never gain that. Even I visited so many places like Darjeeling and what to say Kashmir, but the place Lonavala and especially SIT Lonavala, I can never forget. I can never say that I don't know SIT. I have forgotten what place is this. Entire image is in my mind. I can right now I can view my SIT and I can see that I am sitting in a class of a Raut sir. Can say because I am having a good touch with him and even I believe that we are having good relations till date and I used to respect him. So can say that place is amazing. Time you will be enjoying it, that will also be amazing. And what I enjoyed was unable to explain. Boss, really, I am saying that I cannot explain. I cannot give a single word to these moments. And the people who were studying with me, as even though I was a president in the fourth year of SS committee, the person who are coming new to our colleges were just friendly. The atmosphere was just friendly. The person used to call me by my name. Somil, just come here. Somil, we want this. Somil, we can do this. So it was like they are my younger brothers, younger sisters, and they treat me that I'm their elder brother. So it was damn good. This is all can say. Cannot explain each and everything, but everything was amazing. I want to live that days again with my all that faculty members, with my all what to say colleagues who are studying with me. But I damn sure the chance I will be getting to come again to SIT Lonavala, I will be the first person to enroll. Okay, bye bye. Have a great day.